Hey there to all my awesome subscribers and the rest of you. Today I'm going to be coming back to you with yet another video. Last time you saw me make a flamethrower. If you haven't seen that video yet, be sure to go watch it. But today I'm going to be building a heat blade, and what that just means in this context is a sword or a knife that cuts something with heat, so it melts through it. I've seen a lot of people heat up swords and knives to cut through things, and I think I may have a better way with some conductive heating. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's get started.
This is a song that came up for me one night when the news it had been telling me better one more war and one more fight, and I sighed, but then I thought about my friends. Then I wrote this declaration just in case the world ends. Our guns, we shot them in the things we said. We didn't need no bullets cause we rely on some words instead. Kill someone in an argument, outwit them with our brains, and we kill ourselves laughing at the funny things we say. And bombs, we had them saved for special times when the crew would call us shakedown. We break down our party landmine. Women, that's so sexy, they explode us with their looks. Are we blowing up some speakers, jumping around till the grass shook? Our missiles, they were the road trips that we launched. Tripping crosses, silence, starting missions at the break of dawn. Yawn and smile, say what direction shall we take? Somewhere where it's warm and wet, this bit of route we'd always taken. Our weapons were our instruments, made from a timber and steel. We never yielded to conformity, but stood like kings in a chariot that's riding on a record wheel. Our weapons were our instruments, made from a timber and steel. We never yielded to conformity, but stood like kings in a chariot that's riding on a record wheel. Our weapons were our instruments, made from a timber and steel. We never yielded to conformity, but stood like kings in a chariot that's riding on a record wheel.
So some of you may be wondering how the sword is actually supposed to work. And in principle, it's quite simple. I've got two blades with an insulator sandwiched in between them to make sure they don't touch. Then my power source is connected with the positive to the one blade and the negative to the other blade. Hopefully when I'm cutting something, both blades touch the material I'm cutting. Electricity should flow through, some resistance should occur, and should melt straight through. Okay, so the project did work, but probably not as well as I would have liked it to. And I was thinking about some of the reasons that could be: amperage, voltage, but I thought I should probably open it up first, because at some point it stopped working completely. And when I opened it up, I found that the wires were actually so melted that they were touching each other and shorting at completely the wrong place. So I'm going to replace those and give it another go.
Force flying when the frisbee in the sky. Have a session while we're smoking, now we're feeling extra high. And we sneak into a car park with the skaties on our back. When we're flying down the level, selling on the attack, now on the attack. And battles, they happen in these dance halls. See, we'd rather fight with music, choosing one, the rhythm war. Battle at these shakedowns and we battle at these gigs. We do battle in our bedrooms, make some sweet love to the beat. And our allies grew wherever we would roam. See, whenever
Final test time. So the project actually ended up working really well. One thing I could have done to get that little bit extra would probably have been to connect another battery. More volts or more amps could really have posed a lot of advantages. Other than that, I think we did well. If you liked the video, please do like and subscribe. I'd appreciate any of the support you can give me. And watch my other video as well. If there's something you'd like to tell me about, maybe some of your own projects, or something I can go check out on YouTube, please do tell me in the comments. If there's anything you'd like to add, or maybe ideas for future projects, tell me. I'd appreciate to hear anything you have to say. Thanks so much for watching and have an awesome day. Cheers.